Hello everyone. So welcome back. So in the previous video we discussed till this question in the hyperbola. So we will continue with the next question. So till now what we have done is we have covered all the questions based on the equation of hyperbola. Now we are going to discuss how to use tangent, normal, chord of contact. This kind of question we will discuss here. Okay. So let's start with the first question. The question is, if the line y is equal to mx plus 7 root 3, y is equal to mx plus 7 root 3 is normal to this hyperbola, then what is the value of m? Okay. Now, first thing, like you have to just find this value, slope of this normal, right? Whose intercept is 7 root 3. Now, one way to solve this question, if you remember the equation of normal with slope m, what is the equation of normal with slope m? This is y is equal to mx plus minus a square plus b square m upon under root of a square minus b square m square. This is the equation of normal with slope m to this hyperbola, standard hyperbola, right? If you have this hyperbola, this is the equation of normal with slope m. So one way to solve this question is you just compare this, right? So you can see here m m is positive. You can see all the options here. So this is a square plus b square upon under root of a square minus b square m square m. This is equal to, what is this? This is equal to 7 root 3. Now, what are the values? You can see this is a square, b square. What are this value? This is 24 plus 18 m divided by a square, that is 24 minus 18 m square. This is equal to 7 root 3. So you can do the calculations here. This is 42m, correct? This is 42m is equal to 7 root 3 into under root of 24 minus 18 m square. So you can see this is 6 cancel. If I just square on both sides, this is 36 m square. 36 m square, this is equal to 3 24 minus 18 m square, right? So I can cancel this factor also. This is 13, this is 12, so this is 12 m square is equal to 24 minus 18 m square. So I can just simplify this. This is 30 m square is equal to 24. So what is the value of m? M is equal to, m square is equal to 24 by 30. This 4 by 5. So what is the value of m? M can be equal to plus or minus 2 by root 5. We can write this 2 by root 5. So which of the following option is correct? You can say this is option C is the correct answer for this. If you don't know this result, if you know this formula, if you know this result, that slope of normal is m, then what is the equation of normal to this hyperbola? This is very easy question. But sometimes students don't remember this. This is very important form of normal. You should remember this. But in case you forget this, so how can you approach this question? So that is also we are going to discuss here. So equation of hyperbola is x square upon 24 minus y square upon 18 is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Now at any point on the hyperbola, what is the equation of normal? I can say what is the equation of normal? A square x upon x1 minus plus b square y upon y1 is equal to a square plus b square. This is the equation of normal at any point x1 comma y1. If I take the point x1 y1 as a cos theta, a sec theta comma b tan theta, parametric coordinate, so this will become a cos theta x plus b cosec theta y. This is equal to a square plus b square. This is the equation of normal at any point a sec theta comma b tan theta. My mistake. This is a sec theta comma b tan theta. So this will be a cos theta x plus b cot theta y. This will be b cot theta y. This is b cot theta y is equal to a square plus b square. Yes, this is the equation of normal. Now see, what is the y-intercept of this? You can find the y-intercept of this. What is y-intercept? It is given. What is the slope? What is the y-intercept? This is 7 root 3. You can see this is 7 root 3. Correct? So this is 7 root 3 y-intercept. Now we know what is the y-intercept. How to get the y-intercept? Put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, this will become a square plus b square divided by b cot theta. This is the y-intercept. Y-intercept, you can put x is equal to 0, you will find y-intercept is equal to this. So from this, you can easily calculate the value of theta. So what is this? This is 7 root 3. What is the value of a square, b square? This is 24 plus 18. And what is b? This is root 18. Root 18 cot theta. So now what is tan theta? You can say, if I just arrange this, this is 7 root 3 into root 18 divided by, this is 42. Correct? So I can just simplify this. This is 7, sorry, this is 6. This is, just do the calculations. You can see here. Yeah. This is root 3 into 3 root 2 divided by root 6. Sorry, 6. So this is, you can write, this is equal to 3 by root 6. 3 by root 6. All right. 3 by root 6. Or otherwise, you can say this is root 3 by root 2. You can just check the calculation. This is root 3 by root 2. Yes. Right. So now see, this is tan theta value. If you have to find the slope of this line, what is the slope of this line? What is the slope of this line? This is minus a cos theta upon b cot theta. Right. So this is, you can simplify this. This is minus a cos theta by sin theta. This will become sin theta divided by b. This is minus a by b, the slope of line. This is x ka coefficient, y ka coefficient, divide karke you can get this, right? So what is the answer now? This is minus a by b. So what are the values of a and b? You can check this. This is minus a is root 24. What is b? Root 18. And what will be sin theta? So you can see this is tan theta. So what is sin theta? I'll just write it here. This is perpendicular root 3 base root 2. So this will become root 5. Right, theta. So now you can see what is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by root 5. So this is root 3 plus minus root 3 by root 5. Why I have taken plus minus? Because if tan theta is positive, it can be in the first quadrant or third quadrant, right? And now you can just simplify this. This will be plus minus. I can say this is 4, that is 2 root 6, right? This is 2 root 6 into root 3 divided by root 5 into root 18. So this root 18 will be cancelled, and you can see this is plus minus 2 by root 5, which we got in the previous case. Plus minus 2 by root 5. So I hope this is clear. This is formula application. If you don't remember the formula, this is how we can easily approach by using the this parametric equation of normal. So this is again very important form. If you have to write the equation of normal at any point theta, this is you can use. Okay. The only thing is you have to थोड़ा आपको calculation करना पड़ेगा. But again, if you don't remember that formula, this is how you can approach this question. Okay. So let's move to the next question now. Now the question is, if the eccentricity of the standard hyperbola passing through 4,6 is 2, then what is the equation of tangent to the hyperbola at 4,6? So now it's the first thing is, what is the equation of hyperbola you have to find here, right? So eccentricity of hyperbola, eccentricity is given as 2. And we are talking about a standard hyperbola, which is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now, This is passing through which point? 4 comma 6. So 4 comma 6 will satisfy this. This is 16 divided by a square minus 36 divided by b square is equal to 1. This is the relation we can have, right? 4 comma 6 को satisfy करते हैं. And we know what is e square. E square is equal to 1 plus b square divided by a square. So you can just substitute this. This is 4. That is 3. You can say this is e is equal to 2. So this will be 4. 4 that is 3 is equal to b square by a square. So from this, what is b square? I can just simplify this. This is 16 by a square minus 36. What is b square? 3a square is equal to 1. Correct? You can just arrange this and get the answer, right? So what is this? This is a square is equal to 16 minus 12. So what is this? This is a square is equal to 4, right? A square equal to 4, that is b square is equal to 12. So we have got what is the equation of hyperbola. This is x square upon 4 minus y square upon 12 is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Now what is the question? The question is you have to find the equation of tangent at 4 comma 6. You have to find the equation of tangent at 4 comma 6. So what is the equation of any point t is equal to 0? What is t is equal to 0? This is x1 comma y1. Replace x square with x1, that is 4x divided by 4. Replace y square with y by 1. This is 6y divided by 12 is equal to 1. So what is this? This is x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. That is 2x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation of tangent which you have to find. This is 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is option C. So basically the idea is how to write the equation of hyperbola and how to write the equation of tangent at any point on the hyperbola, which is t is equal to 0. Replace x square with x1, y square with y by 1. That will give you the equation of tangent. So again, pretty easy question. Now next question, find the equation of tangent to this hyperbola which is parallel to this line x minus y is equal to 2. So equation of tangent you have to find which is parallel to this line. What is the slope of tangent now? If the tangent is parallel to this line, that means the tangent slope will be equal to the line slope of this line. The slope of this line is 1. That means the slope of tangent is equal to 1. Now we know what is the equation of tangent with a slope m. This is y is equal to mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. This is the equation of tangent to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. You can see I have just arranged this. This is the standard hyperbola. Equation of tangent with slope m is this. So what is this? This is y is equal to m. What is the slope of tangent? 1. This is x plus minus a square. What is a square? 5. M square is 1 minus b square is equal to 4. So what is the tangent? Y is equal to x plus minus 1. So this is the answer. So you can check which of the following is correct answer. This is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 1 equal to 0. These are the two possible tangents with the given slope m. That is option C is the answer. Always remember, with given slope there will always be two tangents to the hyperbola. Okay. So this is the equation which you have to remember, which is equation of tangent with given slope m. So again, simple question, very easy question. Next question. The tangents are drawn. The tangents are drawn to this hyperbola at the point P and Q. If these tangents intersect at point T, 0, 3, then what is the area of this triangle TPQ? So the question is, you have this hyperbola x square upon 9 minus y square upon 36 is equal to 1. Correct? This is the hyperbola. Now tangents at P and Q. See. Let's say this is the hyperbola. Now tangents at P and Q are intersecting at point 0, 3. They are intersecting at 0, 3. Correct? then you have to find the slope of, you have to find the area of triangle TPQ. Now see, if the tangents are intersecting at 0,3, it is very obvious this is symmetric. So one tangent will be something like this. Other tangent will be something like this. Or we can have this also, this case also, depending upon the position, we can see either the tangent will be like this or the tangent will be like this. Okay, we don't know which case it will be, but we can definitely find it. How will we find this? Now understand this. Let's say this is the point P and this is the point Q. The tangent at point P, tangent at point Q. This is just a rough sketch. We don't know what is the position of P and Q. We will see what is the equation of this PQ. Okay. Now see, if you have to find the area of this triangle PTQ, if you can find point P and Q, we can easily write the area of this triangle. But how can you find that? So see, if I just join PQ, can we say PQ is chord of contact of this point P? Why this is chord of contact? Because this is the tangent drawn from point T. This is another tangent drawn from point T. These are the point of contact and we are joining them. This is the chord of contact of this point T. Now, if you know what is the equation of chord of contact? What is the equation of chord of contact? What is the equation of chord of contact? This is also T is equal to 0, but point T, that is x1 comma y1, for that case is outside. Now, what is the equation of chord of contact with respect to 0 comma 3? You can see, replace x square with xx1. So this is replace x square with xx1 minus replace this y square with y1, x3y upon 36. This is equal to 1. And you can clearly see what is this. This is y is equal to minus 12. This is y is equal to minus 12. So what is the equation of chord of contact? This is y is equal to minus 12. And you can clearly see that means we have made the diagram correct. Okay. So it's not necessary that you have to make the correct diagram. You can just check what is the chord of contact and accordingly you can draw the diagram later, right? So now this is the line y is equal to minus 12. Now we have to find the area of this triangle PTQ. Now how will you get the area of this triangle PTQ? Understand this. We can find this distance. Obviously this line will be perpendicular. This is y-axis. This is the line which is parallel to x-axis. So that means this will be perpendicular. So we know what is the distance. This distance is equal to 15. Why 15? Because this is 0, 3. This is 0, minus 12. Right? So what is the total distance? 15. Correct? If you can find this base, you can easily get the area of this triangle PQ. Now, how will you find PQ? You know the equation of this line. This is y is equal to minus 12. Now, if I solve this y is equal to minus 12 with the hyperbola. So let's solve this. That is, if I solve y is equal to minus 12 and this hyperbola, I'll just substitute this. So this is x squared by 9 minus this is 144 divided by 36 is equal to 1. Check. Yes, this is correct. 144 by 36. So this is 12 divided 3. This is 9. Yes. So this is, you can see what is x square. X square is equal to, this is 9 plus 1, 10, 90. 9 plus 1, that is 10, and this is 90. Yes. So what is the value of x? X is equal to plus or minus 3 root 10. You can check this. This is plus minus 3 root 10. Now, if this is plus minus 3 root 10, that means this point is 3 root 10, comma, minus 12. And what is this? This is minus 3 root 10, comma, minus 12. I hope this is clear. This is minus 3 root 10. Correct? Now, what is the area? So now we can write what is the area required. Half. What is the base? Base is this. What is this length? This is 6 root 10. You can see total distance is 6 root 10. Right? And what is the height of this? Height of this is 15. So what is the answer? This is, you can write what is the area. This is 45 root. So that is option. We have done something, some calculations mistake here. This is y is equal to minus 12, right? This is minus 12. If I put minus 12 here, this is let's correct it. This is 144 by 36. So this is this is just 12, 3. This is 4. Yes, this is 4. So this is 45. This will be 45. Just correct this. Right? This is root 45. So let's do this correction here. This is x is equal to plus minus root 45. That is 9. 9 into 5, 3 root 5. So this is 3 root 5. This is minus 3 root 5 and plus 3 root 5. So what is this? This is root 5. Okay. So what is the answer? This is 45 root 5. 45 root 5. That is option A is the correct answer. So you can just check the calculation. It's very easy to find this. The idea is you have to find the chord of contact and just write the area of this triangle. Okay. So the answer will be 45 root 5. Okay. You can just take the calculation part here. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. The question here is, if a hyperbola passes through the point root 2 comma root 3 and has foci at plus minus 2 comma 0, then tangent to this hyperbola at point P also passes through which point? Ultimately, you have to find the equation of tangent only. So how can you find the equation of tangent now? See, first you have to find the equation of hyperbola. You can clearly see this is the standard hyperbola. Foci are at x-axis 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0. So we can directly write, see, we have the hyperbola, standard hyperbola, right? So AE comma 0 foci, that means AE is equal to 2. This is one condition. Second condition we know, that is B square is equal to A square E square minus 1. So that is B square is equal to A square E square minus A square. Second condition. And what is the third condition? It is passing through root 2 comma root 3. So let's first simplify this. If I put this here, this is B square plus A square is equal to 4. This is A square plus E square is equal to A square E square is equal to 2. That too, this is 4. So I can just substitute this, right? And what is the this point root 2 comma root 3 satisfying this hyperbola? This is 2 by A square plus minus 3 by B square is equal to 1. This point lies on the hyperbola. Satisfy kara diya. Okay. So what is the equation we have? 2B square minus 3A square. Right? 2B square minus 3A square is equal to A square B square. I'm just trying to get the equation of hyperbola. Okay. So this is 2B square minus 3. What is A square? A square is 4 minus B square is equal to 4 minus B square into B square. So if I simplify this, you can just check the calculation. This is 2B square minus 12 plus 3B square is equal to 4B square minus B to the power 4. So just simplify this. This is B to the power 4. 3 to 5, 5 minus, this is plus B square minus 12 equal to 0. So you can see here, this is B square plus 4 into B square minus 3 is equal to 0. So what is the value of B square? B square is equal to 3. If B square equal to 3, what is the value of A square? A square is equal to 1. So what is the equation of hyperbola? Hyperbola is x square upon A square minus y square upon B square is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Now the question is, what is the equation of tangent to this at point root 2 comma root 3. So what is the equation of tangent? T is equal to 0. This point root 2 comma root 3 is lying on the hyperbola. So what is the answer? This is replace x square with xx1. Replace x square with xx1. This is y upon, let me write it here. This is x, replace x square with xx1, y square with yy1. This is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent. You can check this, right? So now you see what is the equation. This is root 2 x minus y by root 3 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of tangent we have got. Now the question is, this tangent also passes through which point? So you can just check the answer. Put this is 3, that is, if I just substitute this here, this is 3, that is root 2 6 minus, if I put this will be 2. It will not satisfy this, you can check this. If you put this will be 4. 2 root 2, if I put here, this is 4 minus 3. This is root 3 will cancel. So this is equal to 1. That means option B will satisfy this. You can clearly see this will not satisfy this. Even you can see this is also not satisfying this equation. Okay. So now what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Again, it's pretty easy question. You have to just find the equation of hyperbola and then you have to just apply the tangent equation. This is T is equal to 0. So I hope this is clear. Now let's move to the next question. The question is, let P 6, 3 be the point on the hyperbola. 6, 3 is the point on the hyperbola. If the normal at point P intersect x-axis at 9, 0, then what is the eccentricity of this hyperbola? So if you want, you can draw a rough sketch also. This is the hyperbola, standard hyperbola. Normal at 6, 3. Let's say this is the point 6, 3. Okay. Normal at point P intersect x-axis at 9, 0. So let's say this is the normal which is intersecting. This is the normal. This is intersecting x-axis at 9, 0. And what is this point? This is 6, 3. Okay. Then we have to find the eccentricity of this hyperbola. Again, very easy question. You can see here, what is the equation of hyperbola, equation of normal at any point on the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square. This is a square x upon x1 plus b square y upon y is equal to a square plus b square. This is the equation of normal. This is also equal to what? A square e square. You can check this value is also equal to a square e square. Now, at which point you have to write the normal equation? Normal ka equation at point P. You can see normal at point P. So what is this x1, y1? This is 6, 3. So this is a square x upon 9 plus b square y upon 3. This is equal to a square e square. Why I am taking this? Because ultimately you have to find the eccentricity. Okay. So that is why I am taking this. So this is the condition, right? Now this normal is intersecting x-axis at 9, 0. If this normal is intersecting x-axis at 9, 0, 9, 0 will satisfy this equation, correct? So if 9, 0 satisfies all those, this is 9, 0 substitute kar denge. So this is a square. This is 9 divided by 9 plus this is 0, right? Wait, a square x upon x1 plus b square y upon y1. This is equal to a square e square. Normal at 6, 3. It's not 6, 3. 9, this is 6, not 9. This is 6. X1, y1 is the point 6, 3. Okay, so this is 6. So let's correct this. This is a square x upon. This is the equation of normal at 6, 3. Okay, now this normal is passing through 9, 0. So 9, 0 will satisfy this. This is a square 9 divided by 6. This will become 0. This is a square e square. So this is cancelled. So what is the eccentricity? This is equal to root 9 by 6, which is root 3 by 2. That is option B is the answer. Very easy question, simple normal question. But आपको ये ध्यान रखना होगा because otherwise तो you have to find the derivative से you find the slope of normal and then equate it. That can be done. The only thing is exam में इतना time नहीं होता है. So it's better to remember these equation of normal for the hyperbola at x1 comma y1. So this is, I hope, clear. So let's take the next question. If the line 2x plus y, 2x plus 6 root 6y equal to 2 touches this hyperbola, then what is the point of contact? Now see, we have the equation of tangent. This is 2x plus root 6y is equal to 2. You have to find that what is the point of contact of this with this hyperbola. Now let's say this is the hyperbola. Let's say this is the hyperbola, and this is the tangent. I'm just drawing a rough sketch to get the idea. Now, if the point of contact, let's say this is x1 comma y1. Let's say the point of contact is x1 comma y1. Now, what is the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1? We know what is the equation of tangent. T is equal to 0. What is T is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1? This is replace x square with xx1. This is xx1 minus y square with y1. This is equal to 4. This is the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. But we know what is the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. We know that this is the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. So this is 2x plus root 6y is equal to 2. We have assumed that the tangent point of contact is x1 comma y1. So what is the equation of tangent? This is the equation of tangent by t is equal to 0. And this is given to you. This is given to you. That means both the equations should be identical. Because at one point we will have only one tangent. So what is the condition for identical equation? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So what is x1? x1 is equal to 4. You can cancel this. And what is y1? y1 is equal to minus root 6. So what is the point of contact? Point of contact is 4 comma minus root 6. So that is option D is the answer for this question. Very easy question. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just solve these two equations, because if this is the tangent, the point of contact you will get only one point of intersection, that will be the point of contact. You can just solve this equation and get the answer. This is one method to solve this. This is less calculative. Otherwise, आप वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, solve करके you can find the point of contact. Okay. So I hope this is clear. So this is the last part. Let's solve this question. This was asked in JEE Advanced 2017. If this line is tangent to the hyperbola, then which of the following cannot be the sides of the right angle triangle? Cannot be the sides of the right angle triangle. So now 2x minus y equal to, basically इसमें right angle triangle का कुछ नहीं है, hyperbola का only condition of tangency है, right? If this line is tangent to this, then what is the value of a? You can see here. You have a line which is 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, or you can say this is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, if this line is tangent to the hyperbola, what is the condition for tangency? If you have hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1, y is equal to mx plus c is tangent if c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. This is the condition for tangency for hyperbola. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस कर दोगे तो वो ellipse का condition of tangency होगा, right? So now this line is tangent to this hyperbola. What is the condition? C square, that is 1 square. C square that is y intercept. C square is equal to a square. M square, what is the slope of this? Slope is to b square, sorry, a square m square minus b square. What is b square here? B square is 16. You can see this is b square is 16. So what is this? This is 17 by 4. This is 17 by 4, correct? Is equal to a square. So what is the value of a? A is equal to root 17 by 4. I hope this is clear. You have to just apply the condition of tangency. C square is equal to a square m square minus b square. and substitute, you can get what is A. A is equal to root 17 by 10. Now you have to check which of the following cannot be the sides of the right angle triangle. That means you have to just apply Pythagoras theorem here. So you can check this. If I take this combination, this is root 17 by 2 is equal to, sorry, comma, 4, 1. You can just check this triplet, is this triplet is satisfying this Pythagorean theorem or not. So you can see this is the largest side. So this is 16. This is 17 square, 17 by 4 plus 1. Obviously, it cannot satisfy this because ये तो fraction ही आने वाला है. You can check this. This is not correct. This can be the answer. Okay. If you check this, this is if I put this, this will become root 17, 4 and 1. Right. So again, you can check. This is 16 square, 16 plus 1 is equal to root 17. Right. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17, that is root 17. So basically, this is a Pythagoras triplet. That means this is a right angle triangle. You can check this also. If A is equal to root 17 by 2, you can check Pythagorean triplet, and even you can check this also. So I hope you can easily check what are the Pythagorean triplet, and accordingly you can write the answer for this. So basically the idea for hyperbola, this is a simple idea. Uske baad to you have to just check the triplets of Pythagoras, right? Pythagorean triplet. So I hope you have understood this question. You can just check the calculation and find the answer. Okay. Okay. This is the last question we are going to discuss. So tangents are drawn to the hyperbola x square upon 9 minus y square upon 1 parallel to this straight line. The point of contact of this tangent. Okay. So tangents are drawn to this hyperbola parallel to the straight line. 2x minus y equal to 1. That means the slope of tangent will be equal to slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? This is 2. So what is the equation of slope of tangent? This is the slope of tangent. Now we have to get the point of contact. So see, there are two ways to solve this. एक तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can find the equation of tangent, and then you can find the point of contact. Correct? Otherwise, we don't require the equation of tangent. We just require the point of contact. So what you can do is, let's say this is the tangent. I'm just drawing a rough sketch. Let's say this is the tangent. This is the point A sec theta, comma B tan theta. Any point on the hyperbola, you know this, right? Now, what is the equation of tangent to this hyperbola at any point A sec theta, comma B tan theta? You can say this is x upon A t is equal to 0. Equation of tangent is t is equal to 0. Correct? If you have this x square upon A square minus y square upon B square equal to 1. So what is the equation of tangent? This is x upon A sec theta minus y upon B tan theta. This is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent at any point A sec theta, comma B tan theta. Now, what is the slope of tangent? What is the slope of this tangent? This is, you can see, m is equal to sec theta divided by A. Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y is tan theta by B, and we have to put a negative sign here. This is, so this will become plus. You can see minus minus will be plus. So this is m is equal to sec theta, that is 1 by cos theta. Okay, this is into A, B by tan theta. This is sin theta or A cos theta. So you can just cancel these terms also. So what is the slope of tangent? You can see this is 2. This is 2. What are A and B values? You can say B is equal to 2, A is equal to 3, and this is sin theta. So you can see what is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now, if sin theta is equal to 1 by 3, what is tan theta and sec theta? You can see this is 1, 3, this is root 8, right? आप triangle बना के solve कर लो उसको. So what is sec theta? You can see sec theta will be equal to plus minus. This is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 3. What is base? This is root 8. Right? And what is required? Tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta again plus or minus. You can check this. What is the sec? Okay, let me write with the coordinate so that it will be easy. So if you have sin theta is equal to 1 by 3, I can have two cases. So you can have theta in the first quadrant. So first quadrant mein sec theta will be positive. What is sec theta? This is root 8 by 3. And tan theta, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 8. Okay, and if you have second quadrant mein sec theta will be equal to minus root 8 by 3 and tan theta minus 1 by root 8. If I substitute these values, what are the point of contact? You can see here, what is A? A is equal to 3 sec theta, comma, what is B? B is 2 tan theta. So if I put sec theta here, sec theta, that is root 8 by 3. So this will become root 8, comma, this is 2 tan theta. So this will become, this is 2 tan theta is 1 by root 8. So you can check, this is, I think we have done some mistake here. 3 sec theta. Sec theta is 1 by, so, sorry, sec theta is root 8 by 3. Root 8 by 3. Let me do the calculation again. This is 1 by 3. This is 3, 1. This is 10, 8. Correct. So what is A ka value? This is 3 sec theta, comma, what is B ka value? 2 tan theta. Now we have to put the value. This is 3 sec theta. What is sec theta? Root 8 by 3. And what is this? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 8. Okay. So now we can check this. This is cancelled. 2 root 2, comma, 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2, comma, 1 by root 2. Somewhere we have done some calculation error. So this is sec theta this is, we have to write, this is 3 by root 8. This is minus 3 by root 8. This is the mistake here, na? Okay. So now let's put the value again. This is 3 sec theta. What is sec theta? 3 by root 8. 3 by root 8. This is 2, 1 by root 8. So what is this? This is 9 by 2 root 2 and this is 1 by root 2. Similarly, second value ke liye minus minus aa jayega. So what is the answer? Option A and option B are the answers. You can just check this. This is sec theta and sec theta. You can calculate this. So concept wise, this is very easy again. You can see how to write the equation of tangent. Without finding the tangent, we have directly found what is the point of contact. Okay, what you can do is you can find the point of contact by finding the tangent first and then finding the point of contact. But this is one easier method because it's not directly find kar liya hai what is the point of contact. Okay, so option A and B will be the answer for this question. So I hope this is clear. So now I I hope that you are very comfortable with the hyperbola questions. You can just revise all these questions, all these, you can see all these videos. That will be a good revision for hyperbola, and hyperbola is a very scoring topic for IIT. So don't leave this chapter, okay? So that's it for now. In the next videos, we'll cover one more chapter related to IIT. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.